Let me show you an easy way to fix Instagram if it's not working on your iPhone. Instagram sometimes goes down. That could be the issue, or it could be an issue with your iPhone itself, or a glitch or a bug. I'll show you how to identify it and how to fix it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is close out of the Instagram app on your iPhone. And next we'll head into the Settings app and then scroll to the very bottom, tap on Apps, and then scroll down until we find Instagram on this list. There it is. Now, if it's not working, basically the photos or camera, etc. is not working, maybe notifications, all you need to do is turn everything on. If videos are not loading, it might be because the cellular data is turned off. So make sure everything is turned on the settings. The next thing that we will do is head into a web browser, and we're just going to type in "is Instagram down?" Now let's check out Down Detector here to see if Instagram is reported having outages. If there's a huge spike in outages, it's not working for you because the Instagram servers are down. So just wait for it to be back up and running. However, if neither of those help for you, let's head back into the Settings app of your iPhone. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. And from the beginning of the settings, let's tap on General and then iPhone Storage. And then let's find the Instagram app. All we need to do is offload this app and then turn around and reinstall it. This force updates it to the latest version, but it also clears out all the cache and temporary files, lots of times fixing bugs and glitches in the app.